on trial for their father's murder. These Russian sisters attacked him in his sleep using pepper spray, a knife and a hammer. An investigation discovered they had been subject to years of physical and sexual abuse by their father, provoking a public outpouring of support for the sisters, who many believe have been let down by the Russian legal system.
The situation in which the girls found themselves while living with the rapist father is quite familiar and scary. Many women and men in the Russian Federation know that this is not an isolated case. It's just so loud in public because girls decided to defend themselves.
The case has emerged at a time when many Russians believe protections for women abused in the home are being weakened. The European Court of Human Rights ruled on Tuesday that Russia failed to protect another victim of domestic violence, a woman who was assaulted, kidnapped and stalked by her former partner. Some forms of domestic violence were decriminalized by Russia in 2017. Under the new rules, the maximum punishment for someone who beats a member of their own family, causing bleeding or bruising, is a fine, as long as they do not repeat the offence more than once a year. Over 230,000 people signed a petition asking to free the sisters from criminal charges.
The Khachaturyan case affects every woman because the majority of women are subject to domestic violence. And men still consider women household items.
The sisters' lawyer said neighbours went to the police several times to report the girl's father's violence, but no criminal prosecution was ever brought against him. Moscow police and Russia's investigative committee did not immediately reply to Reuters' requests for comments. The sisters were suffering post-traumatic stress disorder at the time of the killing, according to their lawyer.